What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for the support on our channel. We've reached our 10K. We made it to 11.3K. It's January 31st. I have to pick a winner for the $2,000 on our in-store credit. To do that, we basically need to copy the link to our video that has all of the comments selected. We need to go to our YouTube comment picker generator, paste it here. Anything goes, and this is going to pick the winner of this in-store credit. $899 comments. Pick a winner. Nicholas Abbott. Thank you so much, guys. We're going to find out who Nicholas is. We're going to look him up. Looks like he's got a drifting profile. We're going to make sure he's a subscriber, and then we are going to notify him that he has won the in-store credit, and we'll see what he buys. Thank you guys again, and enjoy this video.
What's going on?
We're just out here driving on some crispy water.
What are you driving?
That. Where's my other truck? Another truck here somewhere. Oh, Craig's got it. There's that one too.
Nice.
So a couple vehicles, nice variety.
There you go.
Right?
Not too cold out.
No, it's not bad.
Not
the
bad.
sun's out, you're in the car, the temperature's perfect. Yeah, there's no wind, which is nice. So
Breaking my car. That's taking $1,000 off the payment.
It'll have a new bumper on it.
What's up, man?
Hey, boss.
How was it?
Good. You're getting me a little bit excited when you pull the camera out. I spin out every time. Gotta fix my
Hey, it looks
gas
sick
pedal.
though. You gotta fix what?
The old gas pedal's getting stuck on me too.
Oh.
That doesn't help.
Oh. Yeah, and then you can just worry about clutch and brake. You don't have to worry about gas.
Oh, I guess. That's true. Oh, that's awesome.
She's working good though?
Yeah. I don't think I ripped any studs out either. That's alright.
Oh, they're fresh. They're fresh.
Hey, I'm getting tired of pushing cars out of the snow, though.
Yeah, well, hey, it's first time on the ice. I got the Bluetooth gas pedal now. We're good to go.
Nathan, don't hit a snowbank.
Don't look at the front bumper of the car. Should have just taken it off. Should have. It did just get more mangled, like it's just falling apart, but joys of ice drifting. Man, that E82, you're gonna love it. Oh.
Mason was saying it just drives itself.
It drives itself. It's literally an E46, but better. The wheelbase and stuff's different, so it's just perfect. It goes wherever you want it to.
Okay, bye.
See ya.
Boys, what up?
Hey, we're gonna go drifting on the ice.
Are you gonna do some ice drifting?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Brother.